Gina with WTI, and if you like the beachy kind of boho look with a purse and want something small that you can wear crossbody and hold your necessities, you're gonna love this bag that I got from UIBRN. First off, I love the straw look. It's so cute with the two-tone, and there is actually a little bit of sparkle to it as well. This is a small bag, so you can expect to be able to fit a few items like your phone, a wallet, some lip gloss, maybe some sunblock. And I like that because then you don't feel overloaded, but you have exactly what you need. It has a zippered top, which is nice, and I love that the strap is adjustable. So it is crossbody, but I think it looks cute as a shoulder bag also. As a seamstress, I always check to make sure that the stitching is done well and that it's secure. And looking at this bag, I can tell that time and effort went into that. I really like the look and the feel of this bag, and that's my point of view.